guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. Now, this video is more special. I always say this, but this is like extra special because it's like... Okay, so, if I have my counting right, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 23rd, 24th, 25th. I'm excited if you could tell. If you're following me on YouTube, Instagram, anywhere else, you'll know that I have been prepping for a huge project for the longest time in my life, and I'm seriously, I've not been committed to one thing for so long ever. So the secret project that I've been talking about forever is releasing on Thursday. Yes. So if you don't know, it's about this campaign that I started called #IPledgeToBeMe, where I speak very, very strongly against body shaming. I started this sign as a finger instead of a finger every time someone judges you for being fat, thin, slim, fair, blah, whatever. So this video is basically a collective announcement spree that's gonna happen now. Take down notes. Unless you're good at remembering small details, unlike me, I had to write everything down. So, since 25th is the release date, that is this Thursday, that's like day after tomorrow. Oh my gosh, that's close. I wanted to do something more than just drop a video on the internet. And I have been going through all the mails that you guys are sending to me. You guys are so strong. So, more than you wanting to meet me, which is literally the baseline in every mail I read, which is such a flattering thing, I want to meet you. You guys are studs. You guys are badass. I want to meet you. So, speaking of body shaming, if you have ever been body shamed, please come meet me. I am going to be going live on my YouTube channel 2 p.m. I'm going to write it here just so you don't forget. 2 p.m. on Thursday. Not alone, with a few of you badass studs. Because I have seen how many people this video has reached. I have seen how many people are reaching out to me. And I know I am not enough. They need to hear it from you. Some of y'all are so badass. Some of y'all have overcome it so well. I want you to come up front and make a difference. I want you to come and talk about it. Now. Let me tell you how to go about it. First of all, you have to be from Mumbai because it's on Thursday, okay? Day after tomorrow. Oh my gosh, that's so close. Second of all, if you're comfortable talking about your story, if you have ever been body shamed, if you have ever been shamed for the way you look, for the size you are, and if you're comfortable talking about it, only then. I am not forcing you. I don't want to make you uncomfortable. I don't want to put you in a spot. It's going to be a very informal, fun discussion, but it's going to be around how you and I are good to go without the world judging us. And if you're comfortable talking about it, then. And third, if you are free. I do not want you to clear your schedule. I don't want you to take time out of things that are way more important to you. If you are free, you know, if you have like 2.5 hours on Thursday between 1 p.m. to like 3 p.m. because we'll be going live, so you'll have to come a little early. My email ID is iammostlysane@gmail.com. If you've already written to me, on the same thread, on the same message, reply to me saying, "Hey Prajakta, I'd love to meet you." What is in store for you? Is that what you're... I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Are you asking me what's in store for you? Other than the pleasure of my company, everybody who gets to go live on my YouTube channel on Thursday gets to see the secret project before the world. Why are you not screaming? And right after you guys see the secret project, and after the YouTube live is done, I am dropping the secret project on the channel on Thursday. It's done, bro. Seriously, I'm shivering. I want to giggle, but I also want to cry at the same time. Is that normal? Please tell me you'll come. Because I really, really want everybody who watches my videos to hear it from you. These just need to be spoken about. So it's gonna be a casual live session, 30-40 minutes. You get to be on my channel with me and we'll just discuss about body shaming. Let me know what you guys think about it. And I'm really, really hoping some of you can come. So just write me a mail and I'll send you a confirmation and I'll let you know all the details, what time to be there, address to the space, everything. And you can be there, and I cannot wait to hug you because seriously, not even just saying this, more than anything, I want to meet you. Alright, quick recap. Thursday, 2 p.m. YouTube live with some of the viewers discussing about body shaming, talking about how they got over it, talking about how we can fight it together, how we can just discuss it and be okay with it. and you get to see the secret project before I drop it on YouTube. So exclusivity, holla! I get to hug you. That's a privilege. I'm not gonna say you get to hug me like blah, whatever. I get to hug you. So that is great, okay? Anything you need to know is in the description below. Just check it out. And you can always write to me. My email ID again is iammostlysane@gmail.com. Just write to me if you are okay to come and talk about body shaming. Because why not? Let's do it, bruh. It'll be worth it, I promise. I'm gonna stop rambling now, okay? और बताओ लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है generally. चलो bye. I love you. Love.